Hello, my dear student. My name is Ms. Fatima, and this lesson is science, especially for grade 2. Today, I will talk about the life cycle hours that you like it and learn something from there. Okay, what's a life cycle? Life cycle is something that's talking about just living things. Okay, what's a living things? Living things, something need water, air. If food can move, that's a living things. Living things like animal, human, and plant. But rock is not living things. Paper is not living things. Table is not living things. This one, as you study in the grade 1, is not living things. But a human, animal, and plant is what is living things. So life cycle is just for human, animal, and plant. It's for animal, like a hen, for plant, and for human like us. Okay, today we're gonna talk about life cycle for animal life cycle. Just we're gonna take animal life cycle. That's a human. Okay, let's go on. Animal life cycle. Actually, I have a two example for animal life cycle. We have it a lot of example, but just I will explain two example for animal life cycle. We will talk about frog life cycle. There's a frog, and we will talk about butterfly life cycle. That's a butterfly. Ooh, I love butterfly. That's my favorite animal. Okay, let's go on. Let's watch the video. Which animal here for talking about butterfly or frog? Let's watch it.
Frogs lay their eggs in calm or static water. These eggs float on the surface of the water body. Some of them die while others hatch. After some time, the baby frogs develop a tail and they look like fish. They are called tadpoles. Shortly after hatching, the tadpole feeds on the yolk of the egg. After a few days, the tadpole can swim around and eat algae. It gradually develops teeth which help it to chew food. As tiny legs start developing on the tadpole's body, it begins to look more like an adult frog instead of a fish. After a few weeks, the tail disappears completely. The hands and feet become stronger and longer. Adult frogs live in a colony of frogs. They mate and return to the water to lay eggs. Thus, the next generation of frogs comes into existence.
Okay, that's what frog life cycle. It was really amazing. So let's repeat it all the step one by one, okay, to understand more things about frog life cycle. So frog life cycle, first step is what it was a frog eggs. As you see in the video, there's a frog eggs. Frog go to inside the water, laying a lot of egg, not just only one, but laying a lot of egg. This egg should be staying inside the water for growing, okay? So frog lay eggs inside the water, okay? In the second step, this egg is hatched from the egg, getting outside, become what? Tadpole. That's a tadpole. The tadpole, actually, if you look it look like a fish, but it's not a fish, okay? That's a frog, baby frog, okay? We called what? Tadpole. This tadpole have it what? Have a tail for swimming and have it a gill for breathing. Look, that's a tail. Have a long tail for swimming like a fish and have a gill for breathing inside the water. Okay, the first step after the tadpole eating a lot of frost inside the water, growing a back leg. Growing two leg in the back, in this state we state tadpole with back leg. Look, two leg in the back, we say tadpole with back leg. 1, 2. During a week, tadpole eating more and more, growing two leg in the front. So we said tadpole with four leg. Look, let's count it. Is that 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So tadpole growing four leg. Okay, and here if you look at the picture, tadpole doesn't have a gill anymore, but have it two lungs inside their body for breathing, because here the tadpole when have it four legs is look like a adult frog. It's become ready for getting outside of the water, okay, to stay in on the land and breathing. You know that all of us we have two lungs for breathing on the land, so the frog is like us needed two lungs for breathing on the land. And what happened for the tail, if you look in, it's become smaller and getting smaller till it become a disappear. Look at this final step is adult frog. Look at where's the tail. Of course there's no tail, because the frog it become grow and stronger, and the tail becomes smaller little by little till disappear. So the tail is the disappear, and the frog is ready to climb on the land and become bigger. Also it's ready to lay egg again inside the water. That's all. This one is what frog life cycle. Let's repeat all the steps together. First step is frog eggs. After that, the tadpole hatched from the egg become tadpoles. That's all. That's a tadpole, okay? After that, the tadpole eating more grass become growing and grow two legs in the back side. So we say tadpole with back leg. After that, again is eating more and more, growing two legs from the front. We say tadpole with four leg. In the end, the tadpole changed to the adult frog look, and it's ready getting to outside of the water. That's all frog life cycle. It's really amazing life cycle. So we will repeating by the game. Guys, if you're coming with me in the school, in the class together, it's amazing game, but now we're gonna do it at home by your phone or your tablet. Anyone that use it, it's okay, but do as I say, okay? First, repeat it like me. Frog eggs or eggs, because frog lay a lot of eggs. Eggs. Second step is tadpole. Tadpole. Third step is tadpole with back leg. Tadpole with back leg. Tadpole with four leg. Tadpole with four leg. Adult frog. Adult frog. Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now open it. Which one is the lost? Which step of this one is lost? You can stop in the video. Think about it. Okay, write it on one paper or in your science copybook. When you see the result, maybe you are right. Okay, let's check which one is a lost. First step is the eggs, then second is tadpole. So which one is the lost? Tadpole. Tadpole with back legs. tadpole with 4 legs, adult frog. Again, close your eyes. Close your eyes and open it. Which one lost now again? First step is eggs, second is tadpole, third is tadpole with back leg. Where's the fourth step? What's the fourth step? After bad leg, what happened when eating more? Think about it. You can stop the video and write it the answer for me. Let's check. Oh, tadpole with 4 legs. In the end is what? Adult frog. Yeah. This one again, stop the video and let's go on. Eggs, tadpole, tadpole with back leg, tadpole with 4 legs, adult frog. Close your eyes again and open it. Write the answer. Eggs, tadpole, and tadpole with back leg, tadpole with 4 legs, adult frog. Okay guys, that was amazing game. I like it so much. So your homework guys, instead of the game, you should write these 5 steps of frog life cycle in your science copybook, okay? Look, write down frog eggs, tadpole, tadpole with back legs, tadpole with 4 legs, and adult frog. I hope you like my video, and in another day we're gonna study butterfly life cycle. Okay, thank you, bye.